Okay, today I'm going to show you how to become, how to get in the birdhouse. First, be caviar like I am now.
Let me grab us driving.
Now, go to the hall. Yes, go right here. Then go into the vent or the tunnel.
I'm gonna go see what Dad's done.
Then you're in the small farm. Then
Come over here. Come over here. Come over
go up here.
Make sure to bark at me.
Then try to go right over here. And sorry if I'm slow. Then no. So and then go right here. Wait, hold up. Then go to speed slow.
Evelyn.
Huh.
Hey, Maggie. Find your Crocs. Okay, Mommy. So if you don't poop, I can just wash them off. Evelyn. Hey, listen. Me and Maddie are gonna go to the backyard, okay? Not the front yard. The backyard.
Mama, you ruining my
come with
video, Mom.
Wait, Mommy, y'all come with me or not come with me?
You're ruining my video.
I'm sorry. Mommy, you wanna come with me or not come with me? Yes, I have to come.
Then change your speed to fast.
Mommy.
Then just be careful to not fall.
Only for a little bit, Maddie, because I need to cut. But this one goes here? Yeah. And this speed goes in here? Yeah. Okay, Mommy, let's go, Mama. Let's go.
Okay. Oh, please, God. Oh, no. Okay. I'm kind of struggling, so sorry. Sorry, I fell. Wait, I forgot. I think this is gonna be a long one. Are you kidding me? Come on. Okay, now I just got here. Huh? Come on, just go in already. I'm kind of struggling. Now, we're in here. Now, goodbye. Yay.